Okay, I welcome you all. Good afternoon. And we also have a guest here, Mr. Ujjwal, and he is senior editor of iNext in Patna. And his family is also presently available here. And there are a lot of challenges with him also, as well as me. So our psychology also matches a lot. So he understands my issues and I also understand his issues. That's why he has been invited here, who can really understand the challenges we have in the future and for your future also. So today the program is on story creation and presentation program. You have to write a story in Hindi or English that you have already written as you were told to. And now one by one the candidates will be coming and they will be sharing their story and the pics will be displayed in PPT like this. Now you have to click yourself. This type of slides will be going on and you have to explain your story with the help of this. If you don't know what to be included, like this picture, if there's no story related to this, you can skip that. Okay, it's not compulsory that all the pictures has to be included. So you have to just click it like this and you have to cover the whole story. So you have to be comfortable here. There is no tension in it, that you will not be punished for anything. You have to just stand here comfortably and you have to try to explain in the best possible way you can. अगर डर गए तो कोई बात नहीं है ना. कितने लोगों का फर्स्ट टाइम है, किसी का सेकंड टाइम है, कोई 10वीं बार में भी डर जाता है ना. तो ये कोई बहुत नया चीज़ नहीं है कि डर लगा. यू आर जस्ट ह्यूमन एंड ह्यूमन एरर हर जगह होता है ना. पायलट भी जो जहाज उड़ा होता है उसके भी एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं. नो वन इज परफेक्ट बट वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग एंड प्रैक्टिसिंग. और कितने लोगों का आज फर्स्ट टाइम है, जैसे ये सोनाली जो क्लास 11 में फर्स्ट टाइम है बट शी इज़ हियर. कितने लोग एक साल से यहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं बट उनको आज बुखार हो जाता है ना. तो खुद सोचना है कि तुम लोग आ रहे हो, वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है ना. दैट इज ऑल्सो रियली अप्रिशिएबल. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सोनाली हु हैज जस्ट पास क्लास 12 एंड शी हैज़ गॉट 80% मार्क्स इन इंग्लिश विद डिस्टिंक्शन. वहाँ पे डी लिखा है 80D. तो इससे हम लोगों को बहुत खुशी होती है देख के कि किसी के लिए कुछ तो हो पाया. एंड यू हैव सीन दैट शी हैज़ बिन कंटिन्यूसली शेयरिंग हर वीडियोज इन इंग्लिश फॉर एटलीस्ट 5 minutes in our WhatsApp group, that is English speaking group. So I also want everyone to share the videos because this will be beneficial for you only, not for me. Okay, so now I will welcome Miss Sonali. Please come on the stage and you can clap. उसमें कंजूसी की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, handing over the mic to Sonali. स्टॉप कर सकते हो. जब स्टार्ट करोगे तुम लोग करना.
Hello everyone. So first of all, good afternoon to you all and I hope you are doing well. So my name is Sonali Kumari and now I complete my 12th board examination and now I am preparing for competitive exam at Harghar Shiksha Academy at my own village. So today I create a story with the help of some different pictures and which pictures gave us our teacher Manish sir. So let's start my fabricated story. So first I say you I just explain you through this story what a important role in our life of our mother. So if our mother is no in our life, we can't do anything. So I hope you like my story. So let's start. So first in my story there are 4 characters. First mother, which name I give Yashoda, and second son, which I give name Raman, and third is daughter, which I name give Kiran, and last is father, whose name is Raghav. So let's start my story. So Yashoda is a very bond of in study. He is very like a study to do study, but her parents not support him to study and she got married by her family member and Yashoda and Raghav married each other. But in Raghav also same as Yashoda family member, in her eyes education is not important. So then Yashoda was very upset because she thinks she do something in her life but she can't do anything because his family member not support her and also her husband not support because in their eyes education is not important. So then Yashoda think when he give a birth of a child, then he trying to make a better future of her child, and she fulfill her dream with her child. So let's start my story. You just see here a mother and child, and mother is very happy. So you just imagine in my story, Yasoda when married, then after some years she got a cute two little child. One is daughter Kiran, and one is son whose name is Karan, and she is very happy to give her birth of two childs. And then there is a Kiran, and when their child are grow, she teaches her best education give, and also a value for everything, and get a good knowledge. After some times they grow their child, and the Raman was very good in aiming, and he also prepared for army, and then he joined the army. Then in her when he joined the army, he is very comfortable from everyone, and he always help everyone. He can't difference anyone like junior and senior. If any junior any issue, then Raman was senior but always help the junior. He never faced the differences each other. And then now it's a university, and this university is Kiran, because Kiran is also growing up, and then his mother decide he teaches us a big university because he also good in study. Then he admitted in a big university and get a good knowledge also. But this is Raghav. Raghav is very angry to see this development in her child, because in her eyes education is no important, and he is very angry on her wife and also child. Why you just teach a girl, because education is not important, just married your daughter. And he is very angry, but Yasoda can't do this, and she is carry on to teach and study your child. Then after some years, Yasoda was starting to get ill, and her illness is very much increases. And there is a Raman was posted in high post, because his education and his values of everyone, his respect everyone. So the commander said that he is very good, so we posted her in a upper level. And Raman was very happy to get a big post. And also the Kiran is good aiming in arrows, bowing, and she get too much rewards in her life and make her own regulation and name in our life. But suddenly Yashoda falling ill too much, and she take her last breath in hospital. And then in last breath she say her child, don't tell a lie in your life, and always keep everyone together. And then she died. Raman was very upset. She lost her hopes. He feels so lonely. But he decide what her mother say. Her mother say is, if I am not here, then you always keep smiling and always help each other. and then he pray the God to keep her mother blessing on her and his, and then carry on her business, her job as usually. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Srishti Sagar from class 9. So first of all, I would like to thank you, my Mani sir and chief guest, who has given me opportunity to say something on this story. So let's start my story. So first, you all see, there is one mother and one child in evening time on the beach. Both are playing together, and mother was also happy and child was also happy, and then the mother was also kissed the child, and the child eyes was very wonderful, and mother and son was also so happy. And then the mother decided, my son went to the Sainik school or boys hostel to give a good knowledge in future. So the son went to the boys hostel, and this is the bond of heart. And then the boy, after 10 years, the boy was elder, and the hobby of the boys is shooting, and then he was good in shooting, and then after 10 years he become a army officer, and then he was shooting some enemies, and then he make to plan a big school, and the dream of the this man is making a big school. So he arranged a small meeting, and he called all the director of the school, and all director are give how to make a best school, how to improve the children mind. And then he went to a architecture company, and the architecture was a friend of this man, and then he helped to design the school, and then he arranged a big meeting, and he called all the students and his parents to understand how my school work, how I facility give in my school, and how to improve child mind. And then the school was, after 2 years the school was finished, and all students gave question without any fear. And then this is the one, you can see, this is the one teacher was very angry to one student. He break one bench, so he was very angry, and he punished the child. And then suddenly his mother had COVID-19, so he was quarantined on 14 days. And then this man got a prize from army officer because he killed many enemies in our duties. And he went to a minister house, and then the one man respected this man, and this is the best friend of this man. His name is Sonika, and he was good in shooting, and he was good in shooting, and he got many prizes in shooting competition. And then his mother was very serious, and he went to the hospital. After some days his mother was dead, and this man was very sad, cried, and very sad, and and he went to the depression. After back the depression, he supposed let's start my new life. So then he again start her school, and then he again start her life. According to me, no matter how bad time come, we must face them. That's all, everyone. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Nandini Gupta. I am from class 8. So first of all, I am really thankful because Mr. Manish Kumar sir give me a golden opportunity. So Manish Kumar sir create a program and I am participate, just like you seen, story creation and presentation program. So I am participate this program and some pictures, so children make a story. So no I am to make a two story in a Hindi and in a English. So first of all I am tell you in a Hindi story. So जैसा कि आप लोग इस पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं, एक माँ अपने बच्चों को सबसे पहले अपने 9 महीने कोख में रखते उसके पालती है और खुद उसे कष्ट कर कर एक नई जीवन देती है और इसे पढ़ लिख कर काबिल बनने के अनुसार भेजती है। और जब इसका बच्चा बड़ा हो जाता है तो इस माँ का सपना था कि मेरा बच्चा बड़ा होकर एक बड़ा फौजी बने। तो इसका बच्चा जब बड़ा हो जाता है और ये ट्रेनिंग के लिए जा रहा होता है तो इससे इसकी माँ इसके विदा कर रही होती है। और जब यहाँ पे उस बच्चे को आप ट्रेनिंग लेते हुए देख सकते हैं। और फिर उसके बाद उसका मतलब वो जो है आर्मी ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर लेता है। और यहाँ पे जैसे ही वो आर्मी ज्वाइन करता है तो उसके घर तरफ उसकी माँ उसका रिश्ता पक्का करके उसके शादी करवा देती है और उसके एक बेटा और बेटी होते हैं। और बेटा बड़ा होकर एक बढ़िया ऑफिस में काम कर रहा होता है। तो जैसा कि आप उसका ऑफिस का ग्रुप देख सकते हैं और ये यहाँ पे अपने ऑफिस में काम कर रहा है और यहाँ पे वो अपना स्पीच दे रहा है और उसका बेटा भी उसी की तरह पढ़ने में होशियार रहता है। और यहाँ पे उसकी बेटी जो है कुछ सवालों का जवाब ना दे पाती है तो ये सर जो है थोड़ा गुस्सा हो जाते हैं और उसके घर तरफ उसकी माँ उसके याद में एक किताब पढ़ रहती है। और तो आपके मन में एक सवाल आ रहा होगा तो ये मार्क्स क्यों लगाई है। तो इस टाइम थोड़ा कोरोना आने का भी समस्या था। तो यहाँ पे वो उसकी वाइफ है, जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था। और फिर जब उसका बेटा बड़ा हो जाता है तो वो भी फौजी की ट्रेनिंग लेने चला जाता है। और यहाँ पे उसकी बेटी को भी वही फौजी लाइन में बनना था तो वो भी यहाँ पे ऐसे ट्रेनिंग ले रही है। और यहाँ पे इतने सारे ट्रॉफ़ी वो तीनों ही जीत कर आए थे जो तीनों फौजी बने थे। अब आपके मन में एक सवाल आ रहा होगा कि सारे ट्रॉफ़ी एक जैसे क्यों है। सारे ट्रॉफ़ी एक जैसे इसलिए हैं कि तीनों बाप बेटा और बेटी तीनों एक ही लाइन के आर्मी में ज्वाइन हुए थे। सो यहाँ पे उसकी माँ, जैसा कि आपने पहले पिक्चर में देखा था कि उसकी माँ बहुत ही ज़्यादा बूढ़ी हो चुकी थी और अब वो हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हो गई। वो अचानक से सीरियस हो गई थी। सो वहाँ पे उसकी माँ अब नहीं बची तो वो बेटा जो फ़ौजी में था वो बहुत ही उदास हो गया और वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही टेंशन में आ गया। तो फिर उसके बाद उसने सोचा कि अब माँ नहीं रही तो क्या हुआ, मेरी भी तो एक ज़िंदगी है, तो चलो अब न्यू शुरुआत करते हैं। और अब आपको दिखाने जाते हैं जिस अस्पताल में उसकी माँ का ऑपरेशन हुआ था। तो यही है वो अस्पताल जिसमें उसकी माँ का ऑपरेशन हुआ था। सो थैंक यू। So now term English story. So just like you see that a mother born her new baby, and when baby are go to elder, so mother want to my child go to a best army officer. So this child try to training for a Fauji officer and they are join a army. So army son are elder and she join a new company and she discuss how to our company how to our company come to in a market because they are new started in a company. So you can see that they are help to a juniors. So the army child tell a speech and many people attend this speech. So you think that what army child position? So she is a army daughter and she not give us some questions answer. So her teacher are angry. So their homes he mother are go to a elder and her wives are remember army and their son are join training for army and she is a daughter. She want to I go my brother and my father this line and I am going to a which line. So this is a mini trophy for one a army and her son and her daughter. So you have a question why all trophies are same? So army and her brother and daughter are same line go to in a Fauji army and last moment her mother are very serious and admit in a hospital and her mother are death and he is very sad because her mother are childhood go to a elder and she start a new life and he start a new life and I am want to this hospital her mother admit. So this hospital her mother is admit. So thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. Today I am telling you about a story and by seeing the figure today I am telling to you a story. So here is the first slide. So you can see that here is a mother whose name was Sita and his son take birth recently and his name was Ritik. So in second slide you see that mother's love towards its son and after third slides his son want to become a marksman. So he asked her mother that please bought a archery set for me so that I could be a marksman. His mother loved him very much, so he bought archery set for Ritik. You can see that he is practicing a lot. After few days he became a good marksman. In this you can see that his father Rahul is fighting on border and it is very tough work that he is fighting on border. And Ritik grown up and started his own business, and this business gone very good. After some days, he chose some candidates to his business, and it is grown up. In this, he gave a speech to office members and giving a motivational thoughts. In this, you can see that he asked us the presentation about his office, and no one can work good in his office after some days. He angry very much because no one can work good in his office. After few days, one more bad news is that his mother is ill and she is feeling very tired. You can see that how much tired she is. After some days, one more bad news come that his father died, and his mother was also ill very much. Here the guests are coming in the funeral of his father. So you can see that here she is Ritik's wife who compare herself to the Ritik and make a competition between Ritik and her wife. You can see that she is also a good marksman. In this, Ritik won the match and take lot of trophies or rewards. You can see that her mother was also ill in operation in hospital. Her mother died. His mother died. You can see that. So he is feeling very sad, and he is weeping also. In this, he also sing very sad. In this, he have hope to start his business again, and in this slide it can shown that the hope of Ritik, and in this he started his many factories, and he struggled in his life very much. So that's all. Thank you. Bye.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Chani Tripathi from Standard 9. After a long silence, today I would like to express my story in my views. So now let's start. There was a woman whose name was Rani, and she was a aiming teacher. She gets many rewards in aiming, and her husband name was Ram, who is a army officer, and he was very good in, he was very honest and honest and dutiful his desire. After some time, she became mom, and she get a birth a little child whose name was Nakul. He was very naughty and funniest with his desire. Every time he playing jokes, and he was no care about his study and his parents also. After some time, he became ill. and Rani gets very sad, and she was very alone because nobody here to help her. And after some time, he called his husband, and his husband want to take leave, but his head officer but not accepted his leave. And after some time, he decided to resign his duty and came back her home. And some days later,
his child was very good and Ram to do for his family, and he built a company and make a project that was very beneficial and interesting for his all the partners. After some time, he became a big owner of a company, and he was very happy. And he was very happy with his family and his son. So thank you.
I am Sonali Tripathi from Standard 8. After a long time we meet here. I hope you all are well. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to express my views about these pictures as a story. So let's start the story. There was a woman which her name was Priya. She had a child named Santanu. She had a child named She lived with her child because her husband was an army officer. She handled his son alone, but both are very happy together. Santanu grew with time, but he had not much interest in studies. He had more interest in sports. He wanted to become an archery player. But his mom and dad wanted to see him as an engineer. But he had not much interest in that field. But then his parents thought that his decision what he become in his life. So let it live on it. Our happiness lies in his happiness. Then his father returned back home from his duty. Suddenly his mom's health was spoiled. Then they took her to the hospital. She got hospitalized. And the condition was very critical for them to see her. But day by day she getting better. Both of them are very sad to see her. But they used to take care of her a lot. Then she become fine, and they were very happy together. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Niharika from class 8. Today I am going to share a story which is created by me on the basis of this given pictures which is given by Mr. Manish sir. So thank you for that. So let's begin. So first of all, you can see that here is a mother and a child named Priyanka and Rishabh. When he mainly playing with her mother. His mother loved him very much. As he grew up, his tantrums also increased. He was very naughty day by day, and he was very much fond of archery sports. He wanted to become an army man and serve all over the country. But his father was a great businessman. He was very rich. He only conversation with great peoples day by day. Millions of people worked with them in their office, and he mainly presented his presentation over all the peoples. His wife also helped him very much in their business, and his mother asked him to, you have to also join our business, but he flatly refused with her decision. His mother was ill. You all know that as the man grow, then they become sick. So you can see that, so the woman becomes sick day by day. But her son only tried on the army trainings or all the preparations. His father only traveled on the cars. One of his friend was also very much fond of archery, named Supriya. In fact, she had got the prizes also. His mother admitted in the very large hospital, and doctors said that she was suffering from the cancer last stage. After some time, his mother died and he cried a lot. He was very depressed among his mother dead, but with same passion, and he tried once again, and he prayed to God that give me that much knowledge. And one day he opened, after getting the job of army, he opened his own hospital for poor peoples, for cheap facilities and poor peoples. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Sonali Kumari. I live at Bela Ganj and I study in class 11. Today I am going to tell a story with the help of all picture. So I hope you all like this story. So first is that there are 4 characters in my story: a mother, a child, and her husband, and a girl. The mother name is Rama, and her husband name is Ram, and her child name is Rahul, and that girl name is Ramya. So there was a village. There live a couple which named is Rama and Ram. They are very happy together, and after few days he get a son which named is Rahul, and they are very happy together. But a few days his father Ram is died, and they are very sad about that. They are her mother take care of her son very lovely and very carefully. They are love each other, and her mother want to teach her son very much, and he decided that he have to attend her son in hostel, and the son was very good in a study, and he is also become a very good person. So her mother attend him in hostel, and after few days he interested in archery, and he get too many awards in archery, and he become a Indian Army because he want to do something about our country, and they get too many awards, and he get a good position in Indian Army. And when he retired from Indian Army, he start their business, and he helped to their junior to he give opinion to her junior, and he also helped her in their work, and he get very famous in their country, and he do a speech in the audience, and and her mother is also come in that a speech, and she is very proud of their child. But when the man get very famous in their country, he get very proud of ourselves, and he don't respect their elder. And but his mother is very depressed because her son, to see her son behavior, and after few days he get sick, and he after few days he get died, and here is his last journey. And she is her Rahul friend Ramya, and she want to meet one day Rahul meets Ramya, and she know their condition, and she want to help her in their problem. And Rahul is get too many awards in archery and Indian Army. As Indian Army, he is very depressed, and he is crying a lot of to lose her mother, and he is very going to depression because he lost her mother. But he decided that he have to do something about their life. As always, he is doing very much, and after few days he recover, and he start their business, and he grow up very much, and as like he is very famous, and he is also start a business. Thank you.
First of all, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Sonali Kumari. I am from Standard 10. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Sonali Kumari. I am from Standard 10. Thank you all of them to give me this golden opportunity. Now I am going to start my story. Story is based on 5 persons, 3 sons and 1 daughter and husband wife. This is the first son of this lady who is loving her child in beach. And this is the second child of this lady who is eyes is blue and is so pretty. And this is the third son of this lady. And this is the second son of lady who is marksman. And this is the first son of this lady who became an army man and fighting with our enemies on border. And this is the second one. When he became young, he worked in a company. He have his own company where many people work. He make one project and discussing with few people. And when the final project is done, he is presenting his project near all the company members and telling them how he make the project and how to work on this project. Then one lady stand and tells that no, we can't do like this, we can do like this. मतलब discussing हो रहा था. This is the third son of this lady who is criminal. He killed many persons. The lady became too old. This story is near Corona time, and he is so sick, and the daughter also is so sick from Corona. Here the father has died from Corona. He is in an Air Force. That's why all Air Force members are giving him Sitanjali. This is the father. is Air Force man. The daughter is an marksman, became a marksman. He get many prizes also. Because of the death of his father, the son became too much. He get attacked from his father death. That's why he is admitted in hospital. He recovered and came to home. That he was crying of death of his father and telling to God that how can you do like this? We are your children. You doesn't have a kind heart. This hospital, this is the hospital where the army man was admitted. Thank you.
Hello. Hello everyone, this is Anushka Vishwanath from class 10. So first of all, thank you to Manish sir who has given me this opportunity to say something about these pictures. So firstly, we can see that in this picture one mother and her lovely son is here, and her son name is Abhishek. In this second picture, the baby was little big, and his mother dream is her son become a shooter, but her son doesn't like to become a shooter. He want to become a soldier, but for some reason he doesn't know how to become a soldier. So finally he decide to become a big officer. So he is make the presentation with their own group, but for some reason and he will show their presentation in one big company of him, but for some reason he doesn't succeed in his work, and after that his mother got died, and then he finally get married. And after so many days he walk on road and thinking about his mother, and finally he go to his home. When he go to his home, her wife said to her she is a good mark woman and she will get by shooting so many awards. And then after that in next morning, Abhishek got suffered from high fever, and Abhishek is very depressed, and then he will find, and after so many lots of hard work he get finally fine now, and he finally thanked to God, and again he doing very hard and he gets succeed in his life. Thank you.
Respected sir and my dear friends and also my seniors and juniors, so good afternoon to all, and a big thank you to Manish sir to give a golden opportunity to say something from these pictures. So my five characters are in these stories, whose first is mother, father, and two son and one daughter. Then father name is the intruder and the mother name is Amela, and two son name is, first name is Gerard and second name is the Ram, and the daughter name is the Radhika. So first of all, they are families to live in India. Then father is died to many works as companies is depressed. So his father is died, and all the families are live in the other countries on his relatives. So start my story. So first you can see that one mother and his first son is enjoying to each other, and the mother and son was very happy. Then second son is very also enjoy his mother. Then second son eyes is so pretty. Then third, so first son is very grown up and also mature. So mother decided to go out of home for studies because he's also want to become a very intelligent person. So he interested in archery, but his mother decided to become a navy force, but his interest on archery. Then second boy is become an soldier. So the second boy decided to become a soldier, and he decided to a meeting from on his group. Then his mother was an engineer. So mother is also discussion from his own group to become a school. Then all students are studies are in there. So many people are in their group to discuss how schools are prepared, because education is a best education is most powerful weapons. So their daughter is a main leader of this group. So this man is very angry with this decision, because he don't know education, and he don't know want to a school. Then after a long time, the very first the COVID-19 is spread through. Then his mother is on spread with a lung cancer. Then the first child become a navy force. Then this is our first child. Then the sister is also wants to archery. Then is also interested in archery, and she is also get a very award. Then its mother operation are in there. Then mother is no on. So he is very crying and very alone, very feel alone. Then the second son is very depressed, because his family is no one. Because I would say first this father is no well on, and his mother is no. So son are praying the God. So he feel lonely. So thank you.
I am Dilka Jha, standard 10. Here I am standing tell a story. Tell a story on these pictures. Let's start. There is a one lady and his son. Name is Zubair. And Zubair, his mother wants to everything or every field. His mother wants to professional everything and every field. And Zubair hobby is markman. Then Zubair is adult, becoming a army force. Then after few years, Zubair in trouble because of COVID-19. COVID-19 infection disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. COVID-19 system often show up 2 to 14 days after contact with virus. The first patient comes from Wuhan city, but this father dead in coronavirus, and then time his company in very loss. So his mother said that your father dream is to become a good businessman. He was his own company and tell the company growing in very profitably. So you have to join your father company and fulfill his dream. Then opportunity become for Zubair act like a corona warrior. Then suddenly a girl came Zubair life during COVID. Then Zubair think that girl is perfect for his life partner. But she was a serious disease. Then after few months she died because of serious disease. And Zubair feels very sad. Every day Zubair spends the whole day on crying. His mother lets him handle from his situation. Then he opened NGO. Thank you, sir.
Good morning everyone. I am Apsara of grade 6. I am here to say a story. Now let's start. Once upon a time there was a small family. In a family there was a woman Radhika and in her son Sufyan. Her father was a businessman, but a few months ago her business was not going good, so he became angry man and he want that her son join an army. So her son joined the army few months ago. The lady Radhika was sick leave. Doctor advised her to cover your mouth and don't go outside. One day she go for a regular checkup. When doctor see her report, she was shocked because Radhika was in the first stage of cancer. When she showed her report to his son and husband, they both are crying and so feel sad. Next day Radhika's checkup is continue and the operation was successful. Few months ago Radhika started her own company. Her company was counted in a great number of company. One day her father came to his home to see her and his company. Thank you everyone.
Good evening everyone. My name is Aniket Kumar. I am here to deliver a short speech. So let's start. Once upon a time there is one mother and a children. Then her mother. Then the children grow up and he learn archery. He become a soldier. Then he prepare a meeting. Then he become a Then he prepare a map to work on it. Then he took an audience to his sister gone in one college and her teacher asked one question from him. He can't answer. Then the teacher was angry. Then her mother grew old. Then his sister also grew up. Then his father prayed. Then
Then his sister learned archery. You can see here. Then her sister gave him many awards. Then her mother was sick. He is in operation. Then her children was crying. Then he is praying to God that then he buy a building. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sesh from class 6. First of all, I would like to thank you, my Manish sir, because who has given me opportunity to say something on this story. First, one upon a time in this picture, I saw one mother and one children to play and very happy. And one mother name is Sita and child name is Sahil. And Sahil went to a boarding school. And Sahil is interested to shooting. Sahil became a army officer. And Sahil planned to one project with 4 friends. And then Sahil planned to make a big house. And then Sahil organized a meeting to understand a product related to children. And the one parents to ask a question to his product. And Sahil is very angry to one worker because he lost money. And Sita having a new virus, and one rich man came to meet a Sahil. This girl name is Aditi. And then Sita is dead. And Sahil went to a depression. And then he started a new business. That's all everyone. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Arav. So, good afternoon. Today I speak a story which Manish sir give me photos. So let's start. There is a mother and child who loves both her loves very much. And when the boys became younger, about 12 years, he wanted to become a marksman. So he got the training of marksman. After that, he joined the army in the soldier, and then he go to a college and teach the importance of soldier. And after that, his mother get tired, and he and doctor see the reports of his mother, and his father is died in the very brief fighting. And then a person is coming from car. A woman is coming, and he told that he want to competition with him. After the competition, and he won the prizes. After that, his murder operation is started, and his mother is also died. He crying. After that, he got in depression, and after that he get stand a building, a laboratory system. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. Good afternoon to all my dear friends and respected sir. I am Soham Raj of class 5. I am going to telling the story. A mother always love her baby very much. She do anything for her baby, but when the child grow up, the baby never understand the love of her mother. Children grown up and release her mother and father. Do nothing for me, but it is wrong. Parents do anything for child. Parents help the child to achieve the goal. When child was grow up, she completed his her aim like soldier, army, doctor, etc. When child her grow up, teeny can do what they want. Parents provide good quality of education towards the child to learn and something in life, but children cannot understand the love of parents. Child always angry and cry because they can do anything what they want. They feel sad, they feel no one can understand. He parents always say something for child is not bad, it is always good. The children who understand the parents thinking is he and she always achieved the goal in life easily. When children do good thing in life, she will achieve the award. Mother is a first teacher of her child. She always try to understand of child God things. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Achyutanand, and then her mother loved and cared him, and then he is in insists to her mother of he want to become a good shooter, and he prepared to become a shooter, and her father is soldier in the Indian Army, and he is owner of the Samsung company, and he is he is invited to the owner of other company, and her wife is see the program, and her mother is very and her mother is very ill, and her father was die in the Indian Army, and he is a good businessman, and her wife is want to become a shooter and practice to become a shooter, and she won the gold trophies, and her mother was very serious and in the operation theater, and he is very crying, and he went to a depression, and he is feeling alone, and he is starting a new life, and he is success in life and owner of the all others companies. Thank you.
ओके तो सभी लोगों ने अपना स्टोरी शेयर किया। आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी। और जो लोग बिल्कुल नए थे उन लोगों ने भी इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया। दैट वाज रियली वेरी नाइस। सो मैं भी अपना स्टोरी शेयर कर लेता हूँ, है ना, क्योंकि जो लिखता है वो ज़बरदस्ती भी सुनाता है लोगों को। कितने बार लोग सुनना नहीं चाहते फिर भी बोलता है कि मैं सुनाऊंगा, है ना। कभी भी ऐसे होते हैं बहुत सारे। और स्टोरी में कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है कि उसका कॉपी कर लें या उससे पूछ लें। स्टोरी तो अपनी इमेजिनेशन से बनता है ना। महादेवी वर्मा ने एक बार कविता लिखी थी तो दो कवि लड़ने लगे कि इसका मीनिंग ये है, उसने कहा उसका मीनिंग ये है। तो लोग फिर महादेवी वर्मा के पास गए उससे पूछने कि इसका मीनिंग क्या है। तो उसने कहा कि इसका कोई फिक्स मीनिंग नहीं है, वो आपकी इमेजिनेशन पर डिपेंड करता है आप इसको किस वे में लेते हैं। तो हर कोई उसको अपने लाइफ के हिसाब से इमेजिन कर सकता है कि क्या स्टोरी का मतलब है ना। ओके, नाउ माई स्टोरी आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम फर्स्ट स्लाइड। सो हियर यू कैन सी देयर इज द मदर एंड हर लवली चाइल्ड, है ना। एक माँ है और उसका एक प्यारा सा बच्चा है, वो क्लियर दिख रहा है ना। ओके, मदर का नाम रख देते हैं जैसे शी इज रानी, और जो बच्चा है उसका नाम है युवराज। ओके, तो दिख रहा है ये दोनों आपस में बहुत ही एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हैं, जो कि ऑब्वियस है। नाउ हियर यू कैन सी दैट द चाइल्ड हैज ग्रोन अप एंड ही इज वेयरिंग अ कोट। और मदर जिस ढंग से मिल रही है इट इज सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी दैट शी इज सीइंग ऑफ, मतलब उसको कहीं भेज रही है ना। और ये लास्ट बार मिल रही है एंड फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम देन एक्सपेक्टेड। नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, उसने उसको एक बोर्डिंग स्कूल में एडमिशन कर दिया। शी हैज मेड हिम एडमिट इन अ बोर्डिंग स्कूल एंड ऑल्सो एडमिटेड हिम इन एन कॉम्पिटिशन दैट इज रिलेटेड टू आर्चरी, शूटिंग, है ना। तो बच्चे ने बोला कि माँ अभी तक मैंने ये किया नहीं है, मुझे पता नहीं मैं कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं, बट मदर वॉज कॉन्फिडेंट, शी वॉज सो श्योर। ये क्यों थी पता नहीं, बट उसने कहा कि नहीं तुम इसमें बहुत अच्छा करोगे, एंड ही रियली प्रूव्ड इट, है ना। उसके बाद उसने इसमें उसका शार्प शूटर भी उसमें बन गया वो। देन देयर वाज अ कैंपस सिलेक्शन एंड फ्रॉम मिलिट्री ऑफिसर्स केम एंड इनवाइटेड हिम टू ज्वाइन द आर्मी। उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि आप प्लीज़ हमारे आर्मी में ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, बिकॉज आर्मी में शार्प शूटर्स की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है। सो ही वॉज गिवन अ हायर रैंक, है ना। एक दो रैंक जो 5 साल बाद लोगों को मिलता है, इसको स्टार्टिंग में मिल गया ड्यू टू हिज कैपेबिलिटीज। Then his personality also can be seen from the slide. उसका बहुत अच्छा पर्सनैलिटी था एंड ही यूज टू कंडक्ट अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स एंड मीटिंग्स। लोगों को बताता था कि आपको अगर शार्प शूटर बनना है तो कैसे करना है, मिलिट्री प्लानिंग करना है तो दैट इज ऑल्सो ए पार्ट ऑफ इट। तो इसमें लोगों को ये गाइड करता था और ग्रुप डिस्कशंस होते थे, बिकॉज मिलिट्री में कोई अकेला काम नहीं करता है, इसमें ग्रुप होता है। जब तक वो लोग एक साथ नहीं करेंगे, एक भी आदमी अगर गलत करेगा तो वो पूरा ग्रुप उसमें मारा जाता है, ठीक है। सो यू कैन सी द मीटिंग्स ओनली। नाउ इसका जो स्पीच था ये इतना अच्छा मोटिवेशनल था कि ही वॉज हैविंग अ वेरी लार्ज ग्रुप नाउ। एक वर्ल्ड लेवल पे एक मीटिंग को वो एड्रेस करने जा रहा था एंड ही वॉज रियली वेरी मच प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट। और जो प्रिपरेशन कर रहा था उसकी मदर भी देख रही थी, जो उससे बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यार करती थी, मगर ये अपनी मदर को कभी भी पब्लिक प्लेस में देखना नहीं चाहता था। ही नेवर वांटेड हर मदर टू बी गो इन अ पब्लिक प्लेस। वाई? क्योंकि वो देख नहीं सकती थी। उसकी मदर जो थी वो क्लियर देख नहीं सकती थी, आँख में प्रॉब्लम था। तो वो चाहता था कि मेरे दोस्तों में मेरी इज्जत कम ना हो जाए। He used to think that my prestige issue is there, so he wanted his mother to be away from the meetings where he is attending them. So what happened? Mother attended the meetings. वो witness कर रही थी, ठीक है, and he was really appreciated by the public. But कुछ publics को पता लग गया कि इसकी mother भी आई है, and they also knew that she is blind, she can't see clearly. तो इसमें क्या हुआ, उसे बहुत गुस्सा आया क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को पता लग गया कि उसकी मम्मी देख नहीं सकती है। देन व्हाट हैपेंड, वही घर में आके उसने मम्मी पे बहुत गुस्सा किया कि तुम पब्लिक में क्यों आ गई, है ना, मैं तुम्हें देखना नहीं चाहता था। एंड उसने उसे कसम भी दिया कि अगर तुम पब्लिक में फिर से आ गई तो मैं यहाँ से हमेशा के लिए चला जाऊँगा तुम्हें छोड़ के, है ना। और वो मदर है तो उसको तो बात मानना ही है। सो शी प्रॉमिस दैट शी विल नॉट बी कमिंग इन पब्लिक प्लेस। तो उसने क्या किया, अपने आप को एक घर में कन्फाइन कर लिया, है ना। वो घर में रहती थी और वो देख नहीं सकती थी, पर वो यहाँ बुक देख रही है। वो बालकोनी में बैठती थी और इसलिए ऐसा एक्टिंग करती थी ताकि पब्लिक को लगे कि वो ब्लाइंड नहीं है और उसके बेटे का जो प्रेस्टीज है वो बना रहे। तो इसलिए वो एक्टिंग करती थी कि मैं बुक्स भी पढ़ती हूँ, ठीक है, इसलिए अपनी इज्जत के लिए नहीं, अपने बेटे की इज्जत के लिए। सो सिमिलरली द डेज पास्ट बाई, और बहुत दिन तक कन्फाइन रहेंगे घर में तो ऑब्वियस है कि देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ डिजीजेस, डिप्रेशन, सब कुछ होगा। एंड द रिजल्ट वाज दैट शी लेफ्ट द वर्ल्ड, है ना, उसने इस दुनिया को अब छोड़ दिया। जब उसने इस दुनिया को छोड़ा तो वहाँ से बहुत सारे मिलिट्री के पर्सन्स आए, जो आपको दिख रहा होगा फ्यूनरल में, और उसके बच्चे को समझ में नहीं आया कि ये लोग यहाँ पर क्यों आए हैं, इतने सारे लोग, इतनी भीड़ क्यों है ना, वाई सो मेनी मिलिट्री पर्सन्स आर देयर, इतने सारे फौजी लोग आ गए उसके फ्यूनरल में। एंड आर्मी जनरल जो था वो भी उसमें आया। तो आर्मी कितने सारे लोगों को देख के वो भी आश्चर्यचकित हुआ। ही वाज सरप्राइज दैट व्हाई सो मेनी आर्मी पर्सनल आर कमिंग इन द फ्यूनरल। फिर उसने उन्हें एक कहानी सुनाई। ये जो जनरल आया था यही उसके पिता थे, जिसके बारे में उसकी मम्मी ने कभी बताया नहीं था। तो उनके पिता जो थे वो अभी जनरल थे। उन्होंने अपनी मम्मी, उसके मन में की कहानी सुनाई कि तुम्हारी मम्मी जो थी वो एक शार्प शूटर थी और वो आर्मी में बहुत ही बड़े पोस्ट पे थी, उससे भी ऊपर पोस्ट पे थी। एंड शी वॉज ए शार्प शूटर, बहुत ही सुंदर थी और बहुत ही उसने अवार्ड्स भी जीते थे। और हर 3 या 4 महीने में वहाँ पे प्रोग्राम होता था और जो अवार्ड दिया जाता था उसमें वो ये अवार्ड फिक्स था और हर बार वही जीतती थी। इसीलिए हर बार अवार्ड भी आप देखेंगे तो सेम है, बिकॉज शी वॉज विनिंग एवरी टाइम। जब भी वो खेलती थी तो वो जीतती थी। अब ये जो आप स्लाइड देख रहे हैं इसमें क्या हुआ, जो बच्चा था, जो रियलिटी में वो बच्चा ही आंख से, उसका पहले से प्रॉब्लम था चाइल्डहुड से, और डॉक्टर ने कहा था कि उसके दोनों आंखें चेंज करने पड़ेंगे। तो मदर ने ये सेक्रीफाइस किया और उसके पिता कभी नहीं चाहते थे कि वो ये सेक्रीफाइस करे, बिकॉज शी वॉज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल और उसकी आंखें बहुत अच्छी थी और शी वॉज अ शार्प शूटर। उसे अपनी नौकरी भी छोड़नी पड़ती अगर वो ये आंख अपने बच्चे को दे देती। तो इसकी वजह से उनमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिस्कशन हुआ पेरेंट्स में, और इसने अपने हस्बैंड से एक तरह से दूरी बना ली। उसको कहा उससे दूर रहने के लिए, और हस्बैंड भी बहुत गुस्सा हो गया था, वो उसे छोड़कर चला गया और इसने अपना आई अपने बच्चे को डोनेट कर दिया। तो ये कहानी उसके फादर ने उसको सुनाया और इसी वजह से वो फादर कभी अपने बच्चे से आज तक मिल नहीं पाया था, ना उसकी मदर ने इसके बारे में उसको कभी बताया था। ही वॉज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ द होल स्टोरी। तो क्या होगा फिर, अब पछतावे हो तो क्या जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत, है ना। ही वॉज वेरी सैड। इसको पता लग गया कि जो माँ है जिसने सब कुछ उसके लिए किया उसको उसने कभी इज्जत नहीं दी। सो ही वॉज वेरी सैड, उसको गिल्ट फीलिंग आई, ठीक है, यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर आल्सो। और ये फिर भगवान से माफ़ी मांग रहा है और अपनी माँ से भी माफ़ी मांग रहा है ना, फॉर द गिल्ट ही हैज़ नाउ। बट वो नहीं कर पाया जो उसे करना चाहिए था। और जो भी मदर होती है उसके बच्चे को कभी नहीं पता लग पाता है कि हाउ मच सेक्रीफाइस देयर मदर हैज़ डन, है ना। मम्मी जो भी करती है वो छुप के करती है। सो वो बस एक ही का काम कर सकता था, वो था कोई हॉस्पिटल खोल सकता था। इसका पैसे बहुत थे, है ना। तो इसने एक बहुत बड़ा हॉस्पिटल खोला जो कि एक आई हॉस्पिटल था, और उसने ट्राई किया कि जो भी ओल्ड पीपल हैं, जिन लोगों की आंखों में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, उसके लिए काम करे, और बहुत ही इकोनॉमिकल रेट पे किया, है ना। सो एवरीवन वाज हैप्पी एंड उसको थोड़ा सेटिस्फैक्शन मिला, और जो उसको गिल्ट था वो तो ज़िंदगी भर कभी नहीं गया। तो इससे हमें यही सीख मिलता है कि हमें ये मान के चलना है कि जो माँ का प्यार होता है वो बिल्कुल प्योर होता है। कुछ भी हो रहा है तो समझ लो कि उसके अंदर कुछ रिस्क है। अगर माँ कुछ पैसे नहीं दे पा रही है इसका मतलब कि उसके पास बिल्कुल ही पैसे नहीं होंगे, है ना। तो बस यही मेरा स्टोरी था। एंड दिस स्टोरी कैन नॉट बी द फिक्स स्टोरी कि यही स्टोरी होगा। कोई भी अपना स्टोरी कैसा भी बना सकता है ना। मैंने भी गूगल से कुछ फोटोज रखे, खुद सोचा बना दिया, है ना। तो ऐसे ही आप लोग स्टोरी बनाए, सबका अलग अलग स्टोरी है। जैसे आप कोई भी स्टोरी राइट और रॉन्ग नहीं बोल सकते हैं। कहानी तो कैसा भी हो सकता है ना, किसी का कुछ और होगा, किसी का कुछ और होगा, तो इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। ठीक है। और आज जो लोग ने यहाँ पे आके बोला है तो ऑब्वियस है कि आप लोग जो मोबाइल का व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है उसमें तो बोल ही सकते हो। जब यहाँ आके बोल दिया तो वहाँ बोलने में तो कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अगर यहाँ कोई पेपर में पढ़ के बोल रहा है तो घर में ही पेपर पढ़ के बोल सकता है। फिर धीरे धीरे इंप्रूवमेंट होगा ना, उसमें टाइम लगेगा, तो टाइम कोई बड़ा चीज़ नहीं, हम पास बहुत टाइम है ना। चलो ओके, तो हम लोग इसको अब बंद करते हैं। और एक पेरेंट्स हैं उनके लिए क्लैपिंग कर दो जो आए, नहीं तो पेरेंट्स लोग बहुत बिजी होते हैं और आने का टाइम बहुत कम मिलता है ना। तो थैंक यू एंड थैंक यू एवरीवन, सभी बच्चे जो ब्रेव इतने हैं जो यहाँ तक आए बिना किसी बहाने के, है ना। ओके, हम एंड करते हैं, ठीक है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।